announce that the ordinance has been cleared today.
Okay.
And in the next session, it will be officially passed, because obviously ordinance has to be clear ratified in the assembly. And while the ratification is happening, and the reason we wish to do it now is because we want that assembly session to also witness the debates and contributions in Khasi and Garo.
Yes.
So that is what we want. So that when this bill is passed, let it be passed when our members speak in Khasi and Garo. So that's why we said that it will be most appropriate when the new assembly opens up. This is the first thing we should clear, and it should be done with the debate in Khasi and Garo. And that is why we are pushing this. And we thought that the first people who should know about this is all of you, because you are the people behind this, and you are the pioneers, and you are the main people behind it. And we are very happy to share this with you. So over to you. Over to you.
Kalau yo ya ka city na deputy secretary, jangka chief minister's secretariat, kaba court yangi, bau chief minister ko abane kando yangi. Ti ngim simpoi berkat ba nakaling government kalanan sedang banle halor kene kam namara kini kisnem ki bala men adum sem sem bro ngi kembaga kampat daya itu kata. Ti ngiwan ngim poi berkat ba nakaling jong government kalau ada yaj sakmat but agaji lang chief minister agaji ran kat jong armut ki deputy chief minister ba person song but iba senior bhalan dhar chief minister ulayato ba ngi lawan ra dak ordinance halor jong ka Meghalaya State Language Act ar hajar san ban penlong no ya keketin Khasi bat keketin Garo ki official languages lani keketin sarkar Bapura ti yakni ka sarkar kan supha se governor nagamtaban menjur but nakring jungi sutu bakata kam dei ke bakla watla hakijing kren jungi gijingalang ni ong baka sarkar ka khot ya ka dorbar ke bakerpang den rei habakila shong da kabinet ke jingwan ra da ordinance ro ke long hi ke lenti ke badai tangba ke dei banyo pat ya ke jingmenjur ha ka dorbar jongka Meghalaya Legislative Assembly kaban sawan kawai pat ke jing yathu jong chief minister kalong ba wat kektian man penenkam ha ke jing yatai ke jing kren gi sim menta jong economic khmat inong thawai ha ka jing dorbar jong ka jelaro en perkrea no ban kren ta kektian Khasi ti kata lesikan longga aka kaba pla bangini i no haka sim chong dorbar jong ka dorbar tho an ke jela ba kinong mikmat joni kin kren no daga ktien lajong Khasi bat Garo ti ka sarkar kan hap berkre bon ke but langis kan bag sarkar kumo chimirsa ula kren unsala kisala banle ye kata hagwe dai pat but ki rules lese hadin bala menjur do governor ki department ki badai ban le ek kam kian sesdang ye kam bat ngilaong bah ka ba kre ye ki rules lani ki kendan kumno ban pentri kam ya kedika an ke batmai ti ka sarkar kadam kam ye kaban khot engiro namar ngisuthu ba nakling kangiro ngila ban no snyang lam ban ai chimot lam ha ka be dai ban ke chipan khre rules ka jingrang ka bangila punbe ngin ya chikman namar ba kamba kalam menta hi ka cabinet lawan ra ordinance kandang hapha ase governor ti kabamat bagakam karang don halanti kampat dai sispa naga sispa but kaji penong ye kaji ngilang pai ba kalong arbenta kawai ban pensyai pai ba haki bridjongi ya ka jing don kam ban penon kam ya ka tin khasi haki yem haki snong haki jikatrai kam bat kawai pat ban pen isya ka sarkar ba ngi don kam ban penlong ya ka tin khasi kom ka ketien sarkar dai tang ka ketien kren jongki nong shong snong tingi don arbanta ka jing pensyai pai ba but ka jing yalang hasora ka nong ro ka jing yalang ka badan kam ha lese ngala banong ban pen iro hakmat governor lengba kilat patai khobor bat lese lengba kino ki jingtep ki ba sarkar ka lum ba ka khasi author society ka kwa bau governor pun ai ke jing menjur kelai kepala kumta ke jing lang sora kalong ke badan kam kini ka jing kendo ka jongi menta kalong ke sultanat nomor belai ba ngi layo e ka khobor ba ye ka jing dawa jongi hadu ka bor jong ke jela kamut haga awang tinawai haga state level hapo jong ke jela ngi lala ya ka ban pen urlong hagni kenti ya ka ba ki bon se kimsim na poi berkhat bahkan long no menta ndrei kalau ke bapla ba ngila ban penong menta hoi na keleng jungi kam dai ke basum ban let ban penong kini ki lang pai ba jika pher ndrei ngila ya le sitam mande kata bat kralong ke basai so bat kini kalong mau mer batmai jong ke jing job hagi jing trikam jong khasi author society nado balaseng yaka but ndrei lakataru ngirang don sawai pat mau mer ba kham dan kam baru tahu long kata kalong bangi dai ban penyo ya ka tin khasi ka jaka ha ka khrnet bafra jong kariti sunsyar kani ke jing penlong tin sarkar bakura ke jela le se kanyara ban plan je ke jing dawa jongi ban penrung ya tin khasi apo ka khrnet ka bafra jong kariti sunsyar kari India